Ugoko ne kwa Kikuyu podcast. Guys, muthenya wa rusho kwi Monday date 8 June 2026 niguo cira wa Rigathi wa Gachagua ugatwithanio ni High Court. Ni muthenya wetereirwo ni Akenya na njira nene muno. The big question is, will Gachagua get his justice? Rigathi wa Gachagua muthenya wa muthenya ni aria ohoro wa kesi iyo muthenya wa rusho. Itano kahau wikino ndamurete atiriri thini wa ciro wa Rigathi wa Gachagua uige impeachment ya Rigathi wa Gachagua kwina ndu urathire na mbere. Ladies and gentlemen, kwina petition yatwaritwo. Petition iyo yari ithikerio date 4. No petition iyo igetindikwo gina date 18 of this month. Ndu mukona atiriri ta hihi kugikona kaundu fishe thini wa kesi ino ya Rigathi wa Gachagua. But besides that petition gutindikwo mbere, muthenya wa rusho cira wa Rigathi wa Gachagua ni ugatwithanio ni High Court. Kiuria ni atiriri, Gachagua ni akona kioto giake toro uguo tu. Igoti riri le independent kana ni atindikwo ni regime ino marul maybe undu fulani ukuinyeria Rigathi wa Gachagua. Magoti maitu me independent kana regime ino ni raigirira. Muthenya wa rusho ni tukarikia kumenya Rigathi wa Gachagua augo besides any outcome kana igoti riri riana twithania o riri gatwithania. Rigathi wa Gachagua akauga ni aka accept riana twithania in his favor. Rigathi akauga ni aka accept riana twithania ciro uyu against him. Rigathi wa Gachagua augete no aka accept momerera macio. No Rigathi akauga atiriri igoti riri riana rule against his favor. Ikinya riria ringi ageka ni guthie Court of Appeal ne meguthi matindikite cira uyu gina Supreme Court. Reketho tuthikirie Rigathi uria auga muthenya umuthi. Nyumuthikagira Kikuyu podcast, inywe ni andu afata muno, nyinyi watu nguvu sana, andu mathina mbere koni support. Asante sana. Dorothy barikiwa sana. Igwai ore Rigathi wa Gachagua auga muthenya wa umuthi about kesi yake. Yo Rigathi yake guys.
Kesi imesikizwa, uamuzi ni kesho. Tomorrow. So simutaniombea. Mtuombe, and we are ready for whatever outcome. If the 3 judges rule that we were treated unfairly and against the law and the Constitution, and lift the impeachment and let us be, we shall be grateful to God, and we shall be very grateful that there is a justice system in Kenya that works. I have confidence that our judiciary is independent, is impartial, and will give justice to Rigathi Gachagua and millions of his supporters across the country. If the ruling goes the other way, it is still okay. We'll still have an opportunity to go to the Court of Appeal and follow the legal remedies that has been provided by the Constitution. I want to urge my supporters across the country, irrespective of the outcome, to remain calm and peaceful. Rigathi Gachagua is a very peaceful person, and I want to ask our supporters to be peaceful and calm. You know, when I was removed from office, the people who removed me were laughing that Rigathi has been removed and his supporters are saying nothing. It is me who told them to say nothing.
Osho ni Rigathi wa Gachagua. Na Rigathi auga o oria igoti rigatwithania ni agetekera na era aromereri ake tondu yendete maundu maingi. Whatever the outcome, ado makarimen gukome calm, ado makarimen maturiete. No riri kurigana na oria kuri na regime ino no yende kuonekana atiriri ati Rigathi aigatirwo na njira iria ibatie. Dona regime ino tegeigerera na mageria ku push uria mangihota igetha igoti rikauga ati Rigiji impeachment yake ni afatie. This regime kulingana na maundu maria ereka no ike undu wothe just to punish Rigiji. The fact is ndenda ndimwira oma wadito uria kuri thaici Ruto ni amenya alternative government magikanathi maikarethi na hihi othe maagri ati Gachagua nie makangethanira na Ruto mwaka wa 2027 na alternative government yothe etekire manyite Rigathi wa Gachagua baru ta president. Ruto ni oi Rigiji no muhote niki daugogo adu thaici marauga it's better we try another person rather than mudo ogwetwo Ruto. Gachagua is very powerful as we speak. Very, very powerful. Na Rigathi wa Gachagua ena influence nene muno. And they know that. But I just hope igoti ni rigakore independent na rigatua shira me independent without any influence from anyone. Toro uotu. Ona igoti rigetua shira against Rigathi wa Gachagua. The fact remains Rigiji will be a kingmaker. That's the truth. So whatever the case, this regime won't win. Whatever the case, this regime will not win. And of course, thirikari ege kanoka. Rigathi wa Gachagua after 27. Rigathi wa Gachagua no eke kindu giwe tatiriri athie atwashi rocio wake ku mbere hi thirikari iyo na magoti maria magakwa mekwo no mone hi Rigiji ekirwo ria ahagurirwo na njere itafatie. If I were Rigathi wa Gachagua, High Court egioka rule against me, the Supreme Court, the Court of Appeal rule against me, I can just wait till the thirikari ejere because it's just 1 year. The Supreme Court higo kwagerite higo tena influence from another government the dole shira wakwako. If I were Rigiji shirosho ogiaga wothi uria ofatie High Court ya ati impeachment ya gufatie na kia mundu na impeachment ya gutafatie. Court of Appeal egiuga the same igikodi Rigathi wa Gachagua to tutigetie mieri just 1 year to election igetera githura no githire nyite mundu ria tukunyita baru atuike president na nie the Supreme Court dole kesi yakwa ko. That's one thing I can do. Rigathi wa Gachagua. But anyway, let's wait and see. Tawaikaa muthenya wa rucio. I just hope igotire ni gatugethania shira na oma na kihoto. I just hope case igoti letiga tuithania shira oyo from influence from other people. I just hope tikona oletronie oleshira wa muthede wa tuithata toleshira wa nitronikalisha wa tuithanirio. Yet we saw the violence iria shari ko thini wa githurano maundu maria mari ko thini wa githurano. I just hope igoti na igutwithania shira uria gufatie. But Ruto nake ni amaka. He knows mabite uthikire Rigathi wa Gachagua. He knows Rigiji onake agiruga mathaici no muinukie agenyitwo baru ni ndo yothe methini wa alternative government kana opposition. Mundu wetwo Ruto knows that. Nekio do drafil no magire kesi no ajirane. But anyway, kitu twete muthenya wa rucio na Rigathi wa Gachagua auga mamera mothe maria magatwithanio na igoti nyaka accept. Anyway, let's wait tomorrow to reveal mambo itakuwa. Kone kwa podcast mwani manyu mariko inyu mwana. Thank you, God bless you guys. It is what it is. Kwani iko nini? Thank you, God bless you.